Hey guys, dealing with PDFs often feels like a frustrating maze. Need to edit, merge, convert, or compress a file? Many tools are either overly complicated, require downloads, or hide essential features behind paywalls. For students racing against deadlines, professionals managing documents, or anyone in between, this hassle wastes valuable time. Imagine a tool that makes PDF management as effortless as a single click. The goal is simple: streamline your work with a powerful, user-friendly solution that removes the barriers and lets you focus on what truly matters. That's where HiPDF shines. HiPDF is your one-stop platform for all PDF tasks. Whether you're editing, merging, splitting, or converting PDFs to formats like Word, Excel, or JPG, HiPDF ensures it's done quickly and seamlessly. Even advanced tasks like compressing large files for easier sharing or protecting sensitive data are handled with ease. Without further ado, let's dive in and explore HiPDF.
Welcome to TechRoot Solutions.
Go to Google and search for HiPDF, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of HiPDF. Interact with PDFs smarter with AI. With the help of AI, we can chat, summarize, read, and explain PDFs online. We can edit text online, convert, merge, and sign PDFs. HiPDF is easy for everyone to use. Here are the most popular tools of HiPDF. Edit PDF. Edit the existing text, add new text, images, and signatures. PDF to Word. Convert your PDF files into editable Word documents. Compress PDF. Compress large PDFs to reduce file size. Merge PDFs. Combine multiple PDF files into one. AI PDF Translator. Translate PDF files into more than 10 languages. Chat with PDFs. Grasp the content of PDFs easily. Trusted by many multinational companies, HiPDF offers handy PDF tools right at your fingertips. With AI for PDFs, you can edit PDFs, convert PDFs, compress PDFs, merge PDFs, and crop PDFs. You can enhance your PDF experience with more AI tools such as online OCR, filling PDF forms, replacing text in PDFs, converting PDFs to pages, editing images, redacting PDFs, password protecting PDFs, and sharing documents. Now click on Edit PDF. Upload your PDFs to the editor and select a PDF file, then click on Open. It may take time to upload. Now click on Edit PDF. Write something in the PDF. For demo purposes, I will write techrootsolution@gmail.com and then click on Export to see the final results of your edited PDF file. Here is the final result, the edited PDF file you can see. Go back to the dashboard of HiPDF and click on Annotate. If you want to highlight important points, click on Highlight. For demo purposes, I will highlight the topic and email address to make it easy to understand and see. After highlighting, I will click on Text and type Subscribe TechRoot Solution. You can adjust the size of the text. You can also change the color of the text and the font size according to your needs. After adding text, I want to add an image. Click on Image and select an image from your system, then click on Open. Click on the canvas to add the image. You can adjust the size of the image according to your needs. You can also add shapes. I will click on Shapes and then click on Circle to add a shape. You can also adjust the size of the shapes. One important thing is that adding a signature to a PDF is often difficult, but HiPDF makes it easy. You can add a signature by clicking on Signature. You can add text, draw a signature, or upload an image of your signature. For demo purposes, I will draw my signature and then click on the screen to paste it. Now I will click on Export. Here is the final result, where we have added an image, text, a signature, shapes, and highlighted text. Now click on Convert. Here you can see Convert PDF to Word PDF to JPG PDF to Excel, PDF to PPT PDF to HTML. I will click on PDF to Word. I will convert the PDF file we selected earlier. Now click on Convert to change the PDF to Word. It may take time to convert. Wait for a while. After completing, you can share your Word file with someone or download it. I will click on Download and then open the file to see the Word file. Now I will click on Enable Writing. For demo purposes, I will change the size and color of the text in the Word file. I will also highlight a paragraph for demonstration. Now click on Organize. Here we can merge PDFs, compress PDFs, split PDFs, extract images from PDFs, and rearrange PDF pages. I will now click on Compress PDF. Choose a file or drop the file. On the left side, you can see the compression levels: high level, medium level, low level. You can select according to your need. I will select high. Now choose the file from your computer, select the file and click on Open, then click on Compress. It takes time to compress. Wait for a while as the process completes. After completion, click on Download. You can see your file is compressed, and there is a notable difference between the sizes of both PDF files. Click on Protect. Here you can see Protect PDF, Unlock PDF, Redact PDF. Now I will click on Protect PDF. Click on Choose File and drop the file. I will click on Choose File and select the file I want to protect from unauthorized access. To protect sensitive information, select the file and click on Open. On the right side, you can see an option to enter a password. Enter the password to protect your file and then click on Encrypt. It will take time to encrypt. Now click on Download and open the PDF file. You can see that you need to enter a password. Without the password, you can't access the PDF file. Enter the password and click on Submit to open the protected file. Now I want to unlock the password-protected PDF. Click on Unlock PDF and choose the password-protected file. Then click on Open. It will take time to upload. You need to enter the password to decrypt the PDF. I will enter the password and then click on Send. It will take time to unlock. You can see your PDF file is now unlocked. Now I will click on AI tools, which are the most important, easy to use, and make our work simple. Here are the AI tools: Chat with PDF, AI PDF Translator, PDF Proofreader, AI PDF Detector. I will click on Chat with PDF and choose a file from my computer system. Then click on Open. On the left side, you can add a new file or view previously uploaded files. I will click on New Chat, select a file, and then click on Open. It takes time to upload. After uploading, you can see the PDF keywords. For demo purposes, I will type Write Summary and press Enter. Wait for a while, and you can see the summary of the PDF file with the help of Chat with PDF. After that, I will type Key Points and press Enter. Here you can see the key points. Next, I will type Author and press Enter. Chat with PDF is perfect for everyone to extract information from PDFs easily. Now I will click on AI PDF Translator. We have already selected a PDF. Choose the target language you want to translate to. For demo purposes, I will select French and click on Start Translating. It takes time to translate our PDF file into French. You can see the translated file. After completion, we can download it. I will click on Export Text. Here you can see the final result. Try HiPDF for yourself and let me know in the comments how you've used this fantastic tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI tools and trends.